Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device. And when you open it up for the first time, you will not be asked to log in directly, and you will instead be guided through the game. Now, once you have the access to the gear icon at the top right corner, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the connect option at the bottom. You can use your Google, your Facebook or your Supercell accounts in order to log in to your account. Tap on whichever option you wish to log in through, and you will be asked to either enter your credentials or select your Google or Facebook account. After choosing your account and tapping on the Continue As button, your account will be logged in and you can continue playing from wherever you left off previously within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account within the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.